Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Instagram account private. So let's open Instagram, press on the top right icon, press settings, privacy, then private account. It says here that I have a business account, so I need to switch it to the personal account. Let's go to the account icon, scroll down to switch account type, switch to personal account. It's gonna take a minute. So let's go back to security. No, sorry, privacy, private account. Easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any question you have in the comment section below, and I will see you guys next time.